Hello, I'm Shimba. Right in this video, I'll be talking about the differences between web design and web development. What every Nigerian business owner needs to know before making decision on building a website. Why understanding the differences can save your business time, money, and lost customer. Many Nigerian business owners from banquet store in Lagos Island to fintech startup in Abuja have launched websites that look fine on a screenshot but absolutely do nothing for their business. Almost every time is the confusion between web design and web development, right? Some businesses pay for website that doesn't deliver results. Many websites online look good, look impressive, but generate no lead, no conversion, poor mobile experience, broken customers journey, weak credibility online, right? I've seen a lot of websites online that they are not compatible across all devices, starting from PC to mobile phone. Right? A lot of websites, if your customer's journey is broken, customer is going to get frustrated and leave your website. And if your credibility is weakened, if your website is not secure, customer is going to leave. They are not going to trust you. The main problem is that more business owners confuse web design for web development, right? It's a mobile first digital market. Nigerian customer expect your website to load fast loading website. That is what Nigerian audience wanted. Mobile responsiveness, they want your website to work across their mobile phone, Android, iOS, and others. Seamless payment. If you are receiving payments from your website, Nigerian audience need the payment method they are familiar with. Trustworthy design. They want your website design to be modern, to look impressive. Easy navigation. Nigerian audience wants easy navigation on your website from the landing page to the checkout page. Poor website design cost you customers. Design creates the experience. Web design focus on the visual identity, branding, layout structure, topography, and color. Your user experience, which is the US, your user interface, which is the UI, and your mobile responsiveness, right? The designer, the web designer, focus on all these lists. It's more down, making things look good. Professional designer optimize your page, optimize your website, trust and credibility, navigation flow, customer attention, conversion path, call to action placement, that is your button, mobile usability, right? The common tools designer use is Figma, Adobe SD, Photoshop, and Illustrator, right? So these are all what designer use to make your web design. Right? Development makes everything works. Web development powered everything. So development power everything, starting from your contact form, the payment system, database, users account, site speed, security, and business functionality. So your contact form is the checkout page of your customer. The database is where you collect your customer's data. The user's account is the account you created for your user. The website speed is how fast your website can load, right? And the security is your business has to be secure. It is handled by the side of web development. There are two sides to web development. We have front-end development and the back-end development. Front-end development is what the user interacts with, the button, the navigation, the animation, the responsive layout, and the form. While the back-end development is what powers the system, starting from the database, the authentication, the payment gateway, the inventory system, the security logic. These are all handled by the back-end development, right? So it is divided into two. Revenue depends on reliable development. Your online business revenue depends on reliable development. So the critical functionality includes PayPal integration, floater wave payments, unified support, order management, customer account performance optimization. If all these things are not working on your development side, you are losing revenue. A broken process means lost in sales, fail in payment, customer frustration, and reduce trust, right? So all these things reduce trust if they fail. If your development fail, functionality is fail from your development side, you are losing loss. You are going to run into serious loss, and it's going to reduce trust from your customers as well. Most of your customers will get frustrated whenever they want to make a payment, maybe using pay stack, and they are now seeing plan pay when they click on the button. This is going to loss of sales, and it's going to reduce trust on your website. Alright, so a beautiful website that doesn't work still fail. Your website may be impressive, may look good, and doesn't work, it still fail. We have two scenarios to this. Scenario 1, beautiful design plus broken functionality still equal to lost in customer. Scenario 2, strong functionality plus poor design equal to no trust, no engagement. The winning formula is trust, performance, and conversion. You have to combine the two. Your customer have to trust you, your website have to perform, and your website have to convert as well, right? So all these things have to be in place before you can make conversion. Your website have to be beautiful, the functionality have to work perfectly well, and so that your customer can trust you, your website have to perform. Templates are cheaper shortcuts, not long-time solutions. Although majority of business owners in Nigeria tend to go with templates like WordPress, Wix, and others. Although this is not a long-time solution. Common template limitations are generic branding, slow performance, broken code, weak SEO, limited customization, poor Nigerian market adaptation. Templates often miss Naira pricing flow, local payment integration, Nigerian US consideration, right? So templates are not a long-time solution for your business. When your business started growing, when your business started booming, you still need a custom website instead of templates, instead of putting all your data on WordPress or Wix. So all these templates, they are just a shortcut for startup businesses. Whenever your business started going up, you need to move your customer from templates to a custom website. So now majority of the templates are not built for Nigerian audience. They have a lot of limitations. As I've said, there are a lot of limitations using templates. How to hire the right web team, right? To hire a right web team, ask this question from any organization, any agency you want to hire, any developer you want to hire. Do they handle both design and development? Have they worked with Nigerian businesses? Do they prioritize SEO from day one? How do they optimize for mobile users? Which payment system have they integrated? What support happen after launch? These are all questions you have to ask from the agencies that want to develop your website, or a developer that want to handle your website. So failure to ask this question is going to lead to chaos. And right here at Bootware Technology, these are what we put in consideration before we start any project, before we start any website. These are what we put into consideration. Conclusion: your website is not just a digital voucher. Your website is your brand, it's your identity, it's what people see. Your website portrays who you are. A successful website should build trust instantly, communicate value clearly, work flawlessly on mobile, convert visitors into customers, support business growth. Design create trust, development create functionality. Great business invest in both. As a great business owner, you have to invest in both designing and in development as well. So without this, your business is not going to work perfectly online, right? I remain myself, Shimbam Daily. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.